The Cyber Glow Serum has been gaining attention in 2025, but many potential buyers are asking the big question: is it a scam or a legit skincare product? Based on current findings, there's limited verified information about the product's effectiveness. While some YouTube reviews discuss ingredients and real-world experiences, there's no evidence from independent clinical trials or peer-reviewed studies to back up its claims. The brand does not offer full ingredient transparency publicly, and most customer feedback appears anecdotal and mixed. Tools like ScamAdvisor don't flag the product's website as harmful, but also don't confirm a high trust score or verified business history. This places Cyber Glow Serum in a gray area, not confirmed as a scam, but also not clearly legitimate. If you're considering trying it, be cautious. Do thorough research, avoid auto-subscription traps, and consider purchasing a small amount first. Until more trustworthy data emerges, it's best to approach Cyber Glow Serum with careful skepticism.